last video, we played the Vikings. We lost, but the power went out, so y'all didn't see the full video. But I did type it in the description, and you'll see didn't get his thing. But we're just gonna send to the end, to the off season, and then awards, and then that's it for this episode. The next episode, we're gonna be in the off season, and then we're gonna be drafting, and then next episode after that, we'll be playing next season. So yeah. Super Bowl week. Ooh. On the Monarchs now. Let's see the recap. We didn't win any. Brandon Ayuk won Offensive Player of the Year. Michael Parsons, yeah, we didn't win. Yeah. Still fine, though. But now we just gotta upgrade our players, and then, ooh. But, yeah, upgrade our players, then we should be good. Let's see who got dev upgrades. Oh, man, you got a dev upgrade. It's nice. Rick made it. Did not mean to click on. I feel like, but Ayuk, he's like kind of a, like, not yak him up, but like, he's not rubber smash either. I think he's just like a, I think it's definitely max security. I think it is max security. He's good. I love the jerseys. That was it on offense, but defense. Ooh, Banks, Latu, Turner. That's really it. I think Anthony got one too. Yeah, nobody else. But that's it for this. Oh, let's see if we the last team. Let's see if we got first pick. Dang, I think we have the second pick. Well, that's gonna be it for today's episode. See y'all later. Peace. Bye.